What's up everyone, this is Omar and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be crawling with the SCX24 Deadbolt in my crawling course. In our last video we tried to do the same course with the Jeep Gladiator, and I decided to do the same thing with the Deadbolt so you can compare how this one performed too. So if you're new to this channel, welcome, and please subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of my videos. So we're gonna cross this bridge and we're gonna do a curve and going downhill right there. In my last video, I have a little bit of difficulty going downhill here. Now we're gonna go down this area, and I think it's gonna be a little bit difficult too. Let's try it again. Again. It's been pretty difficult right now. I didn't have as many issues in this hill with the Jeep Gladiator. Wow. After about 5 tries, we did it. I was kind of lucky in this one, but well, it's alive. Fall off again. So far in this area, I think the Jeep Gladiator have performed a little bit better than the Deadbolt. Something to consider is that the Jeep Gladiator have some upgrades in weight too. So. This ground is pretty dry, so that's why it's cracked and everything, so that makes it harder. no lies, this part right here, I've tried it like 20 times already. Finally. As in my other video, I sometimes use this bridge right here, but for this test I'm gonna use this area here instead. Let's keep going. This area is pretty difficult too. Last time I got a little bit of help with the bamboo. I don't know if I can do the same this time with the deadbolt. Let's see. There we go. Now. Finally! So guys, we reached the end of this video. In my opinion, I was expecting a lot better performance with the Axial SCX24 Deadbolt. I have the Jeep Gladiator too, and I think the Jeep Gladiator performs a lot better than the Deadbolt this time. I think it might be because of the shorter chassis that the Deadbolt has. It makes it more difficult going downhill. That's my opinion. I think the Jeep Gladiator perform a lot better downhill in my crawling course. So let me know in the comments down below what you think. If you have a Deadbolt, let me know how it performs with you. This one is completely stuck, and my Jeep Gladiator have some weight added to it, so that might be something to consider too. But I don't know, let me know in the comments down below what you think. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.